Okay, so what we have here is the Ungodly design tow hitch cover for the Tesla Model Y. And the whole unit is pretty much made of plastic. Except it does have a magnet here which will secure it. Even the hitch receiver thing is plastic as well. But it seems to be well constructed. So what it does is all you do is put it in here, slide it in, and that's what it looks like from the back. And to pull it out, the magnet's actually pretty strong, so you got to give it a nice nudge to get it out. There's it. Put it back in. And that's it.